Need help?
No, I got it.
Almost. You see what it is yet?
It's a Polly Pocket.
Oh.
It's my favorite. And they're my favorite.
You know what? I'm not too bright, but what you think this one is?
I don't know. I got a lot. Mommy, it's a Polly Pocket. See? I think it's the one of the little Polly Pockets. See it, Mommy?
Yeah.
Isn't she so pretty?
Can we get the rest of the paper off?
No, I got it.
You throw all your trash in there.
Thanks. Daddy, can you help me take the rest off?